Professor Steve Johnson of the University of Florida, coming to you on a beautiful April morning in Gainesville, Florida. See, we're shooting a little video of a young yellow rat snake, or eastern rat snake, depending on whose common names you go by. The scientific name also depends on whose taxonomy you follow. Previously known as Elaphia obsoleta, now Pantherophis alleghaniensis, but we're just going to call it the yellow rat snake, which ranges throughout the peninsula of Florida into north central Florida. Farther to the west in Florida, we predominantly have a species called the gray rat snake. There's about roughly half a dozen species of rat snakes in the eastern U.S., again depending on whose taxonomy you follow. Those are species or subspecies. Another common one is the red rat snake, or corn snake, red corn snake, whatever you want to call him again, Elaphia guttata or Pantherophis guttatus. Some of the characteristics that these snakes share, they're all beautiful snakes. They all get well above, or 4 feet long, well above 4 feet long, 5 to 6 feet. This animal, when it's fully grown, will reach around 6 feet. And this is a younger animal, about 2.5 feet long. You can see he's got the dark yellow background with the bold 4 longitudinal stripes running down its body. When they're younger, this species of rat snake, the yellow rat snake, is characterized by blotches, large blotches down its back, and it lacks these yellow stripes. The stripes come on with age. Like all members of this group of the rat snakes, they're excellent climbers. They have flat belly scales that when they meet the scales on the side of the body or the side of the animal, they're at an angle, and it allows the animal to sort of poke those scales up underneath the irregularities in the bark of trees and other objects to let them climb. And as you can see, they are excellent climbers. This guy is scaling right up this pine tree, and it's tough to see, but he's putting his scales, sticking those scales underneath the edges of the bark. And in cross-section, the snake sort of would look like a loaf of bread, is how they've been described. Be a little difficult to see that, but you might be able to get a look at it as he's climbing up and sticking his scales under the bark, climbing this tree. Again, a beautiful snake, the yellow rat snake.